I'm not a hardware guy. This is not a hardware channel, but I do have some hardware knowledge that can help save you guys a bunch of money if you think your interface is broken. If you're in the same boat that I was, where turning the monitor knob up and down gave you a bunch of static, then don't worry, chances are you just need to clean some contact points internally to fix this. Shout out to this guy for making a TikTok on it like a year and a half, 2 years ago. It is coming in handy for me this week. Barely anyone has seen that video, and if you Google this issue, you're not gonna find very much straightforward information on how to do this. All you're gonna need is, of course, your interface, some sort of multi-tool to open up your interface, and then you're gonna need some contact cleaner, okay? WD-40 has their own contact cleaner, but do not use original WD-40. It needs to be something specific for circuit boards. I'm gonna leave links in the description. They will be Amazon affiliate links that'll support me a little bit if you plan on buying from Amazon anyway, rather than giving every cent to Jeff Bezos. But of course, no pressure. Just make sure you're getting yourself some contact cleaner. Okay, if you're using a Focusrite Solo or Duo, under the back feet, only the back feet, there are some hidden screws. Go ahead and peel the feet off by hand and then just, unscrew the screws. Then it should just slide out nicely from the front like so. Then you're gonna be left with this nice, simple circuit board. Behind your monitor knob here, there is a very bright blue contact point. You're gonna take your contact cleaner and then you're gonna spray a little bit from this angle, once or twice, a little bit from this angle, once or twice, and just do light sprays. You do not need to do a lot. Then the little gap between the knob and the front of the interface, you're also gonna do one from 2 separate angles. Then you're gonna tip the circuit board up so that the liquid is going into the interface. And then you're just gonna turn this knob up and down all the way top to bottom for about 30 seconds to a minute. It'll lube it all up and it'll do its own self-cleaning process. If you have more knowledge on this than I do, please leave it in the comments down below because I would like to know, and I'm sure a lot of the people watching would as well. Anyways, that's gonna be it. I appreciate y'all. Take it easy.